Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to renew your Kenyan driving license. So what you need for this is a browser and a good internet connection. So you'll just want to open up your browser and search eCitizen. So just search as I've done and you'll be brought to this page. So here you'll want to select the very first option. As you can see, eCitizen Gateway to all government services. So just click on the first option to be taken to the main page. So as soon as you're here, you will need an eCitizen account, and you can either create a new one or sign in to an existing one. So I'll be signing in, so just click on sign in, and if you don't have one, you'll just create one first. So here you'll be brought to the login page, and here you'll want to input your ID number and your password. So just input the ID number that you use to register for your eCitizen account and input your password, then simply click on login. So when you click on login, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. So as you can see here, we are on the main eCitizen dashboard, and here you'll want to click on the NTSA service. As you can see, the National Transport and Safety Authority. So you'll want to click on get service. So just click that to be taken to the NTSA services. There you go. So as you can see here, you'll want to click on make application. So just click on make application, and we'll be doing, remember we are doing the driving licenses. So when you'll be brought to this page, you'll want to click on the plus icon on the right side of the driving licenses, and as soon as you've done this, you'll click on the 1-year driving license renewal. So the very first option, you can either do the 1 year or the 3 years, but for this video I'll be showing you how to do the 1 year, but the process is just the same. So as soon as you come here, as you can see, it's 650 shillings. You'll want to click on apply. So just note that you'll be charged 600 for the application and 50 shillings for the convenience fee. So as soon as you get here, you'll want to click on submit. So just click submit and wait for it to save, and next you'll need to choose your payment method. As you can see, there is M-Pesa. You can choose to pay with the debit, Airtel Money, EasyPay, e-agent, the KCB cash, but I'll be using M-Pesa for this video. So click on M-Pesa, and as you can see, you will see a process. As you can see, go to M-Pesa, and I'll be showing this using my phone. So I'll just go to M-Pesa, as you can see on the right side, and you'll want to go to Lipa na M-Pesa. So select Lipa and M-Pesa, na hapa you'll select pay bill. Alafu, this is very important, you'll need to enter the business number, and you'll notice that there is a business number where on the website that you just accessed. As you can see, my business number has been written there. Enter exactly what is written, don't enter what I'm entering. As you can see, mine is 206. Then next we'll need to input the account number. Again, each person gets a unique account number. Enter what is there on your screen. As you can see, mine is 0CBZ, but yours may vary. So enter exactly what is displayed in the page. So after that, you'll need to pay 650 if it's for the 1 year. So I'll input 650, and again input your PIN next, and we are ready to go. So just click on OK, and again confirm the pay bill and the account number matches what is displayed on the website. And as soon as you've done that, you'll simply click on OK. So just click on OK and wait for confirmation message. So there you go. As soon as you've done that, all you need to do is wait for the confirmation message, and when you receive that, it will be sent as a text message. As soon as you get that, you'll click on complete. As you can see, when I click on complete, it will confirm your payment. As you can see, confirming your payment. So just wait for confirmation, and as you can see, bam, successfully paid bill. So now we are almost good to go. And as you can see, thank you for using our payment services. Successful payment. You're being directed to your service. So just wait, and as you can see, we now have everything. As you can see, the 1 year driving license, you've already paid for it, approval, renewed, and here on the right side, as you can see, there's the print invoice. You can either print the invoice, but I'll show you how to download the PDF. So just click on downloads and select the driving license 1 year. As you can see, you'll be brought to this page, but again, wait for your download to begin. You can print from here, but I would recommend you downloading the PDF just to have it in case you want to print again. So again, wait for your download. As you can see, my download is begin, so just select start download and wait for your PDF file to download. So I'll just go and try to access it from wherever I downloaded it from, and we'll open it to try and print it. So just go to where you downloaded it to, we'll open it, and as you can see, we have it. Now all we have to do is click on print, and as you can see, just click on print. Now that you've printed, all you need to do is cut out the needed parts and attach it to your driving license. And that's it for today. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and share for even more great content. And until next time.